Hello everyone, let's talk about Windows 11 version 26H1. Microsoft is preparing 26H1 and it appears that it could arrive in spring 2026. Even though the date hasn't been set, it could arrive sometime in April 2026. This new version of the operating system will be exclusively for new PCs with Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon X2 chips, and it will not be a general update for older devices, with the main update for existing PCs version 26H2 expected in later 2026. The company began testing version 26H1 back in November 2025 as part of the new platform release. At that time, the software giant made it clear that this release is solely to support new upcoming processors. The company notes that 26H1 is not a feature update for version 25H2 and only includes platform changes to support specific silicon. When the company says new silicon, it is referring to the newest Qualcomm Snapdragon X2 Plus Elite and Extreme processors that include a new NPU up to 80 TOPS for AI, with the Extreme variant offering the highest core count up to 18 cores with clock speed up to 5 GHz. The X2 Plus provides more mainstream options, while the Elite and Extreme target higher-end and professional laptops, all part of Qualcomm's push to compete in the Windows PC market. Windows 11 version 26H1 doesn't include any major visible changes. The most obvious difference is the jump in build number to 28,000. Microsoft may be adding some under-the-hood refinements in addition to support to the new silicon, but nothing suggests that version 26H1 will deliver headline consumer features. The company has clearly said that Windows 11 will continue to follow the annual feature update cadence, with releases landing during the second half of the year, typically between September and October. This means that Windows 11 version 26H2 will be the update that will bring new features to everyone, including for computers using Intel, AMD, and ARM processors. However, Microsoft could follow the same approach used with version 25H2, rolling out new features gradually through cumulative updates throughout 2026 and making 26H2 a small enabling package that will only refresh the life cycle of Windows 11. And that's it. Now you know that Windows 11 version 26H1 will only be available for new PCs coming in 2026 using the latest Snapdragon processors. And this is not an actual feature update for regular PCs. However, the feature update that we have to look for is version 26H2 that will arrive before the end of the year. Remember to leave your comments, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.